Hello there and welcome to our drawing on the HTML5 canvas course. So in this course, I'm going to show you how you can build out an application just like this one that gives you the ability to draw on HTML5 canvas. My name is Lawrence and I'm so excited to have the opportunity to introduce this course to you today. So within this course, we're going to be using JavaScript in combination with HTML5 canvas element in order to create this type of drawing application where you can use your mouse, click down anywhere on the page and draw. And we've also got some controls here where you can adjust the width of the line that you're drawing and also the color of the line that you're drawing. So we've got an HTML5 color picker in order to draw colors. And then best of all, we also are going to show you how you can save this, download it to your computer, and also save it within an image tag within your HTML. So all of this and a whole lot more is going to be included within this course. So see that whenever we click save, we actually save the image and it downloads over here. When I open the file, I can take a look at it and I see that it's downloaded to my computer as a PNG file. You see that it's PNG, so it's see-through, and it's got all of the content that I just drew. So I can always save my wonderful artwork, and you can too. I'll show you how to do this in the upcoming lessons. So know you're excited. So let's get ready and jump right in the next lesson and start building out this application from scratch. And I guarantee you're going to be truly amazed at how easy it is to build something like this using JavaScript.